Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play good Kho Kho. First, let's cover the basics. The playing field is a rectangle, measuring 27 meters long and 16 meters wide. You'll have two teams, each with 12 players, but only 9 players from each team are on the field at any given time. One team acts as chasers, while the other defends, trying to avoid being tagged. It's a dynamic and exciting game. Now, let's talk about being a great chaser. Your primary goal is to tag the defenders. The Kho command is crucial. It allows you to switch active chasers quickly and strategically. Practice sudden changes in direction and even diving to tag opponents who are trying to evade you. Maintaining high speed and agility across the field will give you a significant advantage in catching those elusive defenders. As a defender, your objective is to avoid being tagged for as long as possible. Employing smart tactics is key. Try running in unpredictable zigzag patterns to make it harder for chasers to anticipate your movements. Quick feints and sudden turns can also confuse your opponents, buying you precious time. Always remember to stay within the designated playing boundaries to keep the game fair and exciting. Finally, let's understand the game's flow and how to achieve victory. Each team gets 2 opportunities to chase and 2 opportunities to defend. Each of these turns lasts for 9 minutes, making the total playing time 36 minutes. Points are scored when a chaser successfully tags a defender. The team that accumulates the highest number of points by the end of all 4 turns is declared the winner.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.